Okay, second graders, we're going to get started with creating some lanterns. I'm going to show you how to do the watercolor part today. So we're going to start off with shapes and then we're going to paint them today. Right here I have a picture of a lantern festival at night, and this is nice to kind of see the colors that we should probably use in our work. So you notice the background is black and then there's warm colors on the lanterns. And this is kind of looking up at them. In the middle we have a white, and then we have yellow, and then it gets orange, and then kind of a reddish, darker reddish color on the outside. So we're going to try to use this sheet here as ideas for painting to help us out. When getting started, make sure you write your name on the back, and you're going to start off by just doing shapes. Okay, so you can have different types of shapes of lanterns if you'd like. I'm going to start off first of all with a larger oval. You could do smaller ovals. You could do square lanterns. And you could do more like an oval this way too. And then I might put one more in the middle one. Maybe this is a smaller one here. Okay. So different sizes that you can play around with. I want you to have at least 4. You could have 5 or 6 of them if you'd like. Okay. You could do more if you'd like. What we're going to do though after that is we're going to be painting them. Okay. And I have the colors here. I have waters, and we're just going to use the warm colors to paint with today. Okay. So to get started, I'm going to work in the middle. So the middle is going to be white, and then I'm going to go yellow, orange, and red. Okay. So I start off by leaving a little area in the middle white. So I like to start off by just doing like a circle. So take the yellow first. You always want to start with the yellow first because it's the lightest. Okay. And then we're going to go into some orange. And I kind of like to let them run together a little bit. Get red on the outside. And then on the outside I'm going to do a little red here. Notice how I'm not really painting it, I'm just kind of touching it. So I'm not a lot of brush strokes, I'm just kind of moving the water around, letting them kind of blend. But try to leave that little space in the middle white. Keep them right around the edge. If you go outside of your pencil line, not a big deal because we will be cutting these out later on before we put them on our collage. But again, we're using warm colors today, and we're doing that with watercolors. They look really awesome at the end when they dry. Okay, I'll do one more example. I'll do one of these rectangular ones. So we start off leaving the middle white, so we just draw a circle with the yellow. And then I'm going to go in an orange around that, letting them blend a little bit. And then I go into red around the outer edge. And there you go. That's how you do a watercolor painting of a lantern. When they're dry, we're going to do some details on top of them to add more. We might even add some different things that you see on the sheet there. Alright guys, good luck and do quality work.